Hello YouTubers, back at the sawmill. Gonna try to get a couple slices off that log before the sun goes down. I'm running out of time. I've been busy. I stacked a cord of wood today in one of the boxes that I ran out of, that I used up at the boiler. I haven't moved these. I haven't done much cleanup back here. Got a piece of slab there, got that. I've got some of the boards down there cut up, so if I can just get a couple slices off and flipped it over. Having a few problems with just normal little goofy stuff. I can't get the handle out of my jack because the wood, I left it out, it got rained on, and it hadn't dried out in the last few days, so I can't get the handle out, so that makes a problem. This is the log that you saw me drag out of the woods, I'm pretty sure, and then it showed me picking it up and setting it on the mill. I took all the bark off of it because the bark was, when you drag it through the woods like that, it doesn't do the saw any good. So, and I haven't sharpened the blade in a while. This thing is on the small end. Let's see if I can get this tape out. There you go, a little dizzy. Small end without the bark, you're looking at about 19 inches. The big end, I don't know, it's quite a bit bigger. But when I load these, I like to load the small end towards the saw, because then I can run the taper attachment, which compensates for the thickness of the log as it goes through the saw. I don't know how to explain it. I'm goofy. I'm running out of time. And I got a guy coming down tomorrow. That one's an 18.5 footer, maybe 16.5 foot. I don't remember. We'll measure it tomorrow before we move it. Anyhow, I should have an eddy tomorrow. This guy's name is Mike. He's a real good sawyer, but he doesn't saw much. I probably hadn't sawed anything in 2 or 3 years since they shut down all the steam shows. But he needs a couple 2x12s out of that, which I don't know whether we'll be able to get that. I hope we can. For his trailer, he holds a geyser steam engine around on a trailer, and the trailer's got pine flooring, and the pine flooring doesn't like the weight of that big old steam engine sitting on it. So we're gonna try to get a couple right where the wheels go. So anyhow, I'm gonna put you in the tripod, get a couple cuts. I see if I can flip it over and maybe get a couple more. I just don't know where I'm gonna get, but I have to have it done. I saw tomorrow. Then tomorrow at 11 o'clock, I got a guy coming down out of Pennsylvania buying 44 boards. I have some quarter sawed boards he's going to buy. I'm basically giving them away because they're just in my way. So he's going to pick those up tomorrow and get them out of my way. Give me a couple dollars that I can spend on who knows what. I can't go anywhere. Anyhow, I'm putting you down on the stand. You're going to have to, turn your volume down because I'm about ready to blast you. I think this has got a pretty good spot. Keep it away from watching me step over that shaft so you don't hammer me. All right, here we go. Find the start point. as you can see, most of that, blow a little bit, most of this is rotten. I knew it was a pretty rotten log. Even on that one, I probably only got a 4-inch piece in here that's any good. But that's all right. I think I'm at 12 inches right now. Let me, I keep sniffling. It's cold out here. It's in the 30s right now. Let me see what we got. We're sitting at 12 inches. So if I take another one down, or even take it down to 10 to get some of this, see, it's not very good log. I knew it wasn't. This is one that I was going to saw, then I wasn't going to saw, and now I'm sawing because I need wood for that other building. But before I go any further, I got so much backup back here that I got to get that cut up. There's not much point in putting you through that. If I get that cut up enough to take another slice or two off of this one, I'll do it and then put you back in. So I'm going to cut this up and then get back with you. Whew, fat boy already wore out.